In this video, I will show you how to reset Google Chrome to original default settings. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if you have been experiencing problems with your Google Chrome browser, maybe it's running slow or freezing or crashing, then by resetting it to its original default settings, can potentially fix any problems. Now, to get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots. Then on this menu that comes up, what you want to do is come down and click onto settings. And once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click down here where it says reset settings. On here, you're going to see there's an option to restore settings to their original defaults. So what you can do is go ahead and select this option. At this point, a window is going to pop up like this. As you can see by resetting your settings, this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history, and safe passwords will not be affected. So to go ahead and continue, just simply click onto the blue reset settings button. And after doing that, what's going to happen is Chrome's going to shut down and basically reset, and then it's going to reopen back to the original default settings. So that is how to reset Google Chrome to original default settings. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.